Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm about to make this peach pie recipe that I saw online. So this is my first time me trying it. So we're gonna make it do what it do, you guys. Okay, first you get you some peaches. Okay, I put mine in this old bowl here. You get you some crescent rolls. Okay, so I just laid 4 out here for now. And it was for 1 cup of white sugar, but that was just too much white sugar. So what I did, I added brown sugar. You melt your butter and you add your sugar. You can use white sugar because that's what the recipe calls for, but I'm gonna use brown sugar. But I did use a little white sugar, but it wasn't a whole cup. So I'm gonna stir this, you guys. So you pour this on top. And you add some cinnamon. So how is your day going, you guys? Mine is going well so far. It done cooled down out there. I went for my walk this morning. This is where I was stirring the sugar mixture. I used a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. But that was a little bit too much sugar for me, so you guys use like a half a cup. So you get the little peach. And you roll your little peaches up like this, you guys. You lay it in your pan. The rest of the peaches I'm going to eat for a snack. Now peaches can be slippery. Want to slide out. I had to do this while Binks is asleep. It'd be all that meowing and look, I hear her butt walking. And you see how I rolled it up? Just roll it up, you guys. Like I said, the peach is gonna try to slide their way out, and you can just tuck them in, like cradled like a little baby. Okay, I'm gonna use the last of my crescent roll. And you put them in the oven until the crescent rolls get golden brown, and when they rise up and not down, glory. Okay, you guys, use 2 peaches per dough. My silly self tried to use 3, then I took it back and used 2. I hope they taste good, you guys, because they looked beautiful. Okay, I had 2 more to go. a few. I'm gonna add 3. And remember, they're gonna be trying to shoot out. This one did. Here come Binks, y'all. Y'all won't hear. Only can get 2 of these. I thought I could be. There she go. Get 3. So here they go, you guys. And they said, this mixture. So now I'm about to put them in the oven.